Hello and warm greetings from Harborlight Music Academy. Thank you so much for your interest in our programs. We are excited to share more information with you. At Harborlight Music Academy, we offer quality music education for students of all ages and skill levels. Our programs currently include piano, voice, violin, guitar, ukulele, trumpet, saxophone, percussion, and music theory. We are passionate about nurturing each student's musical growth in a supportive and inspiring environment. Tuition. One-time registration fee, $50. Group lessons, $85 per month. Private lessons, $95 per month. Early payment discount, $10 off if paid by the 7th of the month. Choir discount, additional $10 off for students enrolled in choir. Enrollment and schedule, our classes are ongoing, and new students are welcome to join at the beginning of each month, or June, if you're aligning with your new intake, adjust as needed. Specific class days and times will be shared based on the program and availability. Location. We will provide our exact lesson location and directions upon registration to ensure convenience and clarity. If you would like to enroll or have any questions, please feel free to reply to this message or contact us directly at 272-2127. We would be happy to assist you and help find the best program for your child. We look forward to welcoming you to the Harborlight Music Academy family, where we are committed to inspiring excellence through music. Come discover the joy of music this summer. This is the Harborlight Summer Music Experience Week. You will try it free for 1 week. On day 1, you will explore different music instruments such as the piano, ukulele, guitar, violin, trumpet, saxophone, and drums. On day 2, you will experience the fun of music skills and theory. On day 3, you will enjoy the fun of singing and perform in the choir. This is 3 days of music classes, all for free. Students will build confidence and have fun at the same time. On the last day, you will get to perform a final mini showcase for parents. Imagine what your child can achieve in just 1 week. Don't forget to ask for our Refer and Earn program. In this program, you earn $50 for every new student you refer. How it works? 1. Encourage a student to enroll at Harborlight Music Academy. 2. Ask them to mention your name during registration. 3. Once enrollment is confirmed, you will receive your $50 as a referral reward. Who can participate? Current students, parents and families, friends, choir directors, church leaders, school principals and educators. There is no limit to how many students you can refer. So the more you share, the more you earn. Thank you for being an important part of Harborlight Music Academy community. Your support helps us inspire and equip more students through the gift of music. Together, we can nurture talent, build confidence, and inspire a lifelong love of music. Referrals change lives. Thank you for helping us make a difference. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.